What's the meaning of crown? Crown. Crown.
Crown. Crown. The word crown can have multiple meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a circular ornamental headgear worn by a monarch as a symbol of authority and power, or it can also mean the top part of something, such as the highest point of a mountain or the upper part of a tooth. Additionally, crown can be used as a verb meaning to declare someone as the winner of a competition or to place a crown on someone's head. Overall, the term crown represents a position of importance or achievement.